So now guys, welcome again. If you're new here, you're welcome. But this is where we do everything together in this kitchen. Sometimes we cook together. Like today we are cooking together. And guys, I want to introduce you to something here, which I don't know if you know. So this meat of mine is dry. It's dry. And dry that. I like it dry, so that's water, all the water drains before I put the oil and the onion. And what I want to introduce you to is this one here. This is the one that holds sufurias. It holds the pots. It holds the pots. Yes, I'm removing that. It holds the sufuria very firmly, such that we cannot burn. So it is dry now, and I'm going to put the onions first before I even put the oil, because with the meat I don't like adding oil. You know, meat in itself has its own oil. So what you do is you reduce the flame completely, almost completely. And put in the onions and the ginger. Onion and ginger together. This is how it looks. Onion and ginger. You see the importance of this holder. This holder is very important. You can never burn your hands. You hold the sufuria, you are very far from the flame, so it doesn't burn your hands. So guys, do you put oil in your meat? Do you? I don't like putting oil in my meat because already meat has got a lot of oil, but I can just put a drop just because of the onions. Just a drop because of the onions, so that the onions can cook without sticking on the sufuria, on the pot. So that's the way I do it. I do it. My onions have to brown. My onions have to brown, and as they brown, I have to keep turning them so that they brown evenly. And the onions don't have to overcook. They don't have to burn. Don't burn your onions. You know the flame is still down. The flame is still low, very low. So guys, as you do that, turning the onion. Yes. When I do the onions, I've prepared the tomatoes already, and I'll show them to you. Here are the tomatoes. Do you see them, guys? I don't have a very big kitchen where I can place the camera strategically, so I keep suffering. As you say, you cannot cook. You always cook. These are limitations in life. I wish I had a big kitchen where I keep a camera very far from the fire, so you see everything that I'm doing. These are the tomatoes now. The onions are already brown. These are the tomatoes. And guys, as usual, I turn the tomatoes. Together with the meat and the onions and the ginger. Remember, I grated the ginger, and after doing that, I usually cover for a few minutes, like 2 minutes. I'll cover them up for 2 minutes. And guys, there are some lessons to learn here. Like this, I told you the first lesson to learn in this kitchen of mine is this holder here. This is a holder for the pot. I don't know what it is called. The next lesson to learn in this kitchen of mine is this, you see, this thing. It's the wooden spoon. It is always good to cook with a wooden spoon, so you don't make those sounds. You know, this is metal. The cooking pot is this metal. To avoid making those sounds of scratching the sufuria with a spoon, avoid making those sounds. And they are yuck. They are those sounds you feel. You call it baby. You feel that sound, no? It's like iron grinding iron. So use this. Use the wooden cooking pot. I mean cooking spoon. You can source them from the market. Like this is a very nice wood because you wash it up after this, and it is very nice. So this is the one I use for turning my food when it is cooking. And guys, as I told you, I was to just give it 2 minutes. And then I turn it again. And I think that my kitchen is so small. That's why I have to keep turning the camera to show you the food that I'm cooking, because the space that I have does not allow me to place a camera strategically such that you can see everything. The space that limits me, guys.